Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. Is it my birthday or is it Christmas? Is it both? It feels like both. I have a beautiful wig to install and review, and she is super beginner friendly, glueless, babes. Like, take it out of the box, put her on, cut some lace, and that's it. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, RPGSHOW, my favorite hair vendor, my favorite company to get wigs from. Top of the line. If you ask me on the streets, Kez, you've reviewed a lot of wigs. What's your favorite company? I'm gonna tell you RPGSHOW. And every single wig that I review from them confirms my original thought that they have the best wigs. Point blank period. Don't argue with me, argue with your mama. Today what I have installed is a 20-inch fit lock 13x6 glueless frontal wig. It's very simple, fit and lock. It has great fit and it's gonna lock into place that little drawstring in the back that we love so much. Secure the back portion so you can flip your wigs, you can do dances, you can sleep with them, you can put it in a ponytail, you can do all of the above, and this wig is not gonna slip. This is what she's giving, like, it's giving wet lace. I am gonna remove the lace though. If you want to know what signature Kez would look like, this, okay? This is a fine woman right here, okay?
Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. And maybe just a better kind of bitter.
Let's put her in a ponytail and see what she's giving, honey.